Good morning. Frozen we came to the backyard. It's sunny. It's really nice today. And I got my cart ready with some of the things that I need to take care of my plants. I need to trim some plants. And I think this one will be first there. Let's do that. There are new girls coming. This will be nice. I will cut the ones that are bad, like this one is a small plant, and I will put some this one for blue. Oh, my battery died. Look at my blueberries. Done crying. I want to cut the ones that are dead. The same the other one, and put a little of the fertilizer, and that will be enough for today for these ones. Okay, this is nice air coming back, but we need to take care of all these so they can come back stronger. And the weed, the same here. These ones are clean. They will open with the sun. So let's see. I have a crying baby there. He wants to go out. Okay, I'm doing a lot of cleaning here. I don't think I will have enough room. This is a lot. I trim my oh my gosh, I forgot the name. Lavenders and all these other plants. And I think I will clean now and put this away because it's so full. Yeah, let's see. Oh, tulips are coming. That's good. I think these are tulips too. I hope so. I plant so many, but I'm not sure what it is. I will know when I have flowers. Same here. For now, I can only keep cleaning. Well, it looks like my rose has a lot of disease. And I will cut to the bottom, but I don't know if it will come back. I look like a mess, but this baby needed to walk, so we will take advantage of the sunny day and that the kids are still at school, so we'll be kind of quiet, because when all the kids come out of the school it's so crazy and you want to say hello to everybody, and some of them drive like crazy too, and crossing the streets are not fun, so let's have fun. Yep, kids are still in school. It feels good. This usually gets so busy and a lot of cars and driving, or maybe they don't have a school. Today is Thursday. I don't think it's nothing special going on. No, they're still in school. I see all the cars there. Oh, look at that sky. The sky looks beautiful. So clear. We don't get these skies often. Oh, come on, spring, come soon. Well, I got into playing my computer game and relaxing after a shower. I also work on these. I remove the pocket and the belt part, and now I'm ready to fix. So, let's see, more light. I think I will leave the zipper there, but I will make a bigger belt, also a little more thick. I have something on plan. I think we'll have also some elastic, maybe. We will see. And I will reduce the size of the legs too. I will work on that tomorrow, and maybe we get this fixed. I want to get my laundry. I've been working also on my knitting or crochet. I think it's in the size that I need to begin that part at the end. So I will just do maybe 2 or 3 more rounds, and then I will do that transition. I will get my laundry ready for ironing tomorrow, and maybe continue playing more. I think I will do that. No more working on this for now. If I don't do anything else, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it was entertaining, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.